Vision systems with high speed and resolution capabilities play a critical role in semiconductor inspection. One camera that excels in this area is the Phantom S640, a coax press high-speed machine vision area scan camera that streams data directly to back-end frame grabbers for fast processing. In a recent test system, experts paired this camera with a microscope and air-bearing XY stage to safeguard the wafer's Z-axis movement. The sensitivity of the sensor, dynamic range, and signal-to-noise ratio allowed the software to more easily identify foreign objects, damages, or protrusions on parts. The Phantom S640 shows that high-speed wafer inspection for larger surface areas is possible with high-resolution area scan cameras, unlocking many benefits. To learn more, download our white paper.